In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Xero reporting errors, including the spinning wheel timeout issue, the something went wrong layout issue, and sales tax audit report problems. If your reports aren't loading properly or showing unexpected errors, don't worry, I'll walk you through the exact fixes step by step. Make sure to watch until the end so you can resolve each issue quickly and get back to accurate reporting. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's fix the spinning wheel or timeout issue. This usually happens when a report like the profit and loss is trying to load too much data at once. Start by opening the report that's stalling, for example, your profit and loss report. If you notice it keeps loading and never finishes, the most common cause is that the date range is too large. To fix this, go to the Date Range dropdown at the top of the report. Click on it and choose a smaller period, such as this month or this quarter, instead of a full financial year or multiple years. After selecting the smaller date range, click Update. In most cases, the report will now load properly because Xero is processing less data at once. If it loads successfully, you can gradually expand the date range to identify where the slowdown begins. This method resolves most timeout or spinning wheel errors. Next, let's fix the something went wrong error, which is often caused by custom report layouts. If you're inside a report and see this message, scroll all the way to the bottom of the report page. Click on Edit Layout. This will open the layout editor where you can see the structure of your report. In the layout tree, look carefully for sections labeled Unmapped or Uncategorized. These sections usually contain accounts that haven't been properly assigned to a reporting category. If accounts are sitting there, that can break the report layout. To fix it, click and drag each account from the Unmapped or Uncategorized section into the correct folder, such as Income or Expenses, depending on the account type. Make sure everything is categorized properly. Once you've moved all accounts into the correct sections, save the layout and refresh the report. This should resolve the something went wrong error and restore your report to normal. Finally, let's fix the sales tax audit report error, especially when transactions show as unreconciled. If your sales tax audit report isn't working correctly, the issue is often tied to unreconciled bank transactions with manual tax rates. To fix this, go to the top menu and click Accounting, then select Bank Accounts. Choose the bank account you're working with and open the Reconcile tab. Carefully review the transactions listed there. Look for any transactions where tax rates were entered manually and that haven't been properly matched or reconciled. These unreconciled items can cause discrepancies in your sales tax audit report. Complete the reconciliation process for each of these transactions. Once everything is reconciled correctly, return to your sales tax audit report and refresh it. The error should now be resolved and the report should display accurately. So to quickly recap, reduce the date range to fix spinning wheel timeouts, correct unmapped accounts in Edit Layout to fix custom layout errors, and reconcile manual tax transactions to resolve sales tax audit issues. These three fixes solve the most common Xero reporting errors. I hope this helped you fix your Xero reporting error quickly and confidently. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Xero guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.